This diesel exhaust fluid is formulated from high-purity synthetic urea and deionized water, which helps modern selective catalytic reduction systems work efficiently and consistently. The 2.5 gallon jug size is convenient for topping off most diesel pickup and medium-duty truck tanks without being too heavy to handle cleanly. In use, it noticeably reduces diesel exhaust emissions and odor, helping engines meet stringent environmental regulations when the system is functioning properly. The fluid is compatible with virtually all factory selective catalytic reduction systems, so it works reliably across a wide range of late-model diesel vehicles and equipment. Its tightly sealed packaging and built-in spout help prevent contamination and make it easier to pour without spilling or wasting product. Regular use of this fluid supports optimal performance of the emissions system, which can contribute to better fuel efficiency and fewer dashboard warnings over time.